What's up, y'all? It's your girl KDiani here, back with another video, and as titled, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this skunk stripe that you guys are going to see in the next clip. So yes, how I achieved this exact look, I'm going to show you step by step on how I did it. First and foremost, I want to give a special shout out to Shine Hair for sending me this beautiful wig that I'm about to show you guys. It is an invisible HD lace natural wave wig. It is 13 by 4 HD undetectable Swiss lace, which melts perfectly with the skin. Y'all seen how it was laying down on my head. It was 24 inches. It's high quality virgin hair. As you guys can see, I was able to add heat and color. It's 200% density, full hair, and like I said, natural wave pattern. So to start off, this is what we're going to do. I'm going for a side part. I already bleached the knots and plucked my hairline. So now into the sectioning, all I did was take the side that has the most hair and just section out a little bit. Like, I didn't want a huge skunk stripe. I just wanted a good amount so I can have like that pop of color. So that's how much hair I'm going to be using. So once you have your hair all sectioned out, now we're going to get into the fun part, which is the bleaching. So I'm going in with the Wella Color Charm, the 40 volume developer, and I'm going to use a blue lightning powder. Now I didn't show how much I use because I usually go by eye. As far as my application goes, as to applying the bleach onto the hair, I was trying to go as slow as possible so that I do not touch any other parts of the hair. I just wanted to focus on that one section, so please take your time. Like, it's not a rush or anything like that. And then I also wanted to let you guys know I did do 2 bleaching process to get it as light as possible to my liking. So instead of just letting it sit for 20 to 30 minutes, let it sit for like an hour, because since this is virgin hair is more difficult to lift, so you do have to let it sit a bit much longer. You get the luxury to let it sit longer since this is not your actual hair, this is a wig. You can, take risks like that. So go ahead and do that. Let it sit for like 45 minutes to an hour and let it lift to your liking. So like I said, after letting it sit for 45 minutes, this is what the hair presumed to look like. As you can see, it's like that warm chocolatey brown, but wait, there's more. So what we're going to get into now is that color that we have on the wig. So I'm going to use 40 volume developer and vanilla champagne. I believe it's from L'Oreal Highlights. And I'm going to just apply it onto the hair. Once again, make sure you're being real careful. You don't want to go super fast with this. I always start off on the roots so that I can see what I'm doing, and then I work my way down towards the ends. So once I finish applying this onto that section, I'm only going to let it, look at Bentley, I'm only going to let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes. This shouldn't sit on there that long because we already lifted the hair, and all this is doing is lifting up the hair a little bit more and adding some of that color that we want. So once it's done and I washed the hair out, I used purple shampoo. This is what it looks like wet, and y'all see that lace, it looks so good, oh my god. But I absolutely love the color and how it turned out. It is beautiful. And then all I did as far as styling, I dried the hair and I used a small wand, and I did some wand curls, add some hairspray, combed it out as you guys can see, and the hair came out absolutely beautiful. There was no shedding coming out after I bleached that section. So as you guys can see, this hair, you can definitely use bleach and color it. The lace is giving, like, I absolutely loved it. Like, it was super duper easy to install. This whole install probably took me, like, from bleaching down to installing it, probably took me 3 hours. So if you don't have that, if you got time in your day, you can do this, okay? But the hair came out beautiful. I absolutely love it. And yes, they get a thumbs up for me. So thank you, Shine Hair, for sending me this hair. It is absolutely beautiful. The link to the hair is going to be down in the description box, so make sure you guys go ahead and check them out. Make sure you guys follow them on Instagram and follow me on Instagram. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and most of all, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification bell so that you're notified when I upload a new video. Until next time, peace. Stop the clock and rewind. Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body.